Hello everyone, my name is Pino. In this video, we are going to determine which one will be easier for us to differentiate y is equal to x multiplied by tan x between the product rule and the logarithmic differentiation. Let's start first with the logarithmic law. We know that if we have the ln of a multiplied by b, then this will be equal to the ln of a plus the ln of b. So in this case, we are going to apply the ln both sides of the equation. On the left hand side, we'll have the ln of y, and on the right hand side, we'll have the ln of x multiplied by tan x. So the ln of y will be equal to the ln x plus the ln of the tan x according to that law. So now we differentiate, so the derivative of the ln y will be equal to 1 divided by y multiplied by dy divided by dx, and the derivative of the ln x will be equal to 1 divided by x plus the derivative of the ln of tan x, which will be equal to 1 divided by the function which is inside the ln, which is the tan x, and we multiply the 1 with the derivative of the function which is inside the ln. So the derivative of that tan x will be equal to sec squared x So we have 1 divided by y multiplied by the dy over dx, which will be equal to 1 over x plus the sec squared x multiplied by 1, which will be sec squared x divided by the tan x, and we are going to multiply both sides of the equation by y, as that y and that y will cancel out. So the derivative of the y with respect to x will be equals to the y. So our y was given as x multiplied by tan x. So in the place of the y, let's substitute back x multiplied by tan x into 1 over x plus sec squared x divided by tan x. We distribute the x multiplied by the tan x inside the parentheses, and this will be equal to x multiplied by tan x divided by the x plus the x multiplied by the tan x, and we multiply this by the sec squared x, and this is divided by the tan x, and that x and that x will cancel out, and that tan x and that tan x will cancel out. So the derivative of the y with respect to x using the logarithmic law will be equal to the tan x plus that x multiplied by the sec squared x. So let's now apply the product rule in order for us to differentiate y is equal to x multiplied by tan x. Remember that the product rule states that if you have y is equal to f of x multiplied by g of x, then the derivative of the y will be equal to the derivative of the f of x multiplied by gx plus the derivative of the g of x multiplied by the original function f of x. So let's differentiate this using the product rule. So the derivative of y with respect to x will be equals to the derivative of the x, which is equals to 1, and we multiply this with the tan x plus the derivative of the tan x, which is equals to sec squared x, and we multiply this with the x. So the derivative of the y with respect to x will be equals to the tan x multiplied by 1, which is equals to tan x, plus the x multiplied by the sec squared x. So it looks like the product rule gave us the answer much faster than the logarithmic differentiation did. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe, like and share the channel if you find it useful.